Hello and welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Melissa Crafter and I create custom epoxy-free tumblers along with other crafts. In this week's video, I'm going to be showing you how I put this super cute mushroom decal on this cup. To make this decal, I use Teckwrap's new white shimmer adhesive vinyl. So that is something that you're interested in, please continue watching. As always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Before we begin, I want to show you all this new white shimmer adhesive vinyl that Teckwrap now offers on their website. This vinyl has a smooth finish and it adds that pop of shimmer to all of your crafting projects. In this next clip, I'll show you what this vinyl looks like outside of the packaging. On the Teckwrap website, you'll find this type of vinyl in a different variety of colors. I do have a discount code with Teckwrap. You can use promo code MelissaCrafter10 at checkout for 10% off of your order. I'll put the Teckwrap website down below in the video description and I'll also put my discount code there. If you're looking for quality vinyl, definitely check out the Teckwrap website. Their website is filled with all types of vinyl from basic colors to specialty vinyl. So here I already have my decal cut out by my cutting machine. I did purchase this SVG cut file from Etsy. I'll link it down below in the video description. You can use this type of vinyl on any type of cutting machine, whether you're using a Cricut or a Silhouette. Now that I have my decal cut out, I'm going to weed out the excess vinyl using my Teckwrap weeding pen. First, going to go in and remove these small fine detail cuts. Here I'm using a lint roller to catch all of these small pieces that I'm weeding out. I really like this weeding pen because it does have a sharp stainless steel tip that allows precise weeding down to the smallest detail. So I'm going to continue weeding out these small vinyl pieces off my decal. Now that I have removed all those small fine detail cuts, I'm going to remove this big piece of excess vinyl. You want to be sure to take your time when doing this. You don't want to remove any important pieces. Now that my decal is already weeded out, I'm going to take some transfer tape that is the same size of my decal. Here I'm using Teckwrap's matte transfer tape. I'm using my squeegee here to make sure that my vinyl adheres on well. I am then slowly going to remove the backing. So here's the cup that I'm going to be using. I did purchase it at Walmart. It's very similar to the beer can glass or Libbey glass, but this cup here, it is a 20-ounce acrylic cup. I found these at Walmart a couple weeks back and they have that nice pink color up at the top and they also had them in blue. I'll link these down below in the video description. They were only $1.98. These bamboo lids and glass straws that I usually use for my 16-ounce Libbey glass fit perfectly on these. You can find these linked down below in my Amazon storefront. I did clean my cup off with an alcohol prep pad just to be sure that my vinyl had a good surface to adhere well onto. Now I'm going to take my full wrap vinyl decal and I'm going to try to center this as best as I could. Once I place it down, I'm going to press down using my fingers all the way around my cup. And slowly begin to remove the transfer tape. And here is how my cup turned out. That is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop them in the comment section. And if you aren't subscribed to this channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I do upload a new video every week. Also, be sure to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram name is MelissaCrafter00. I do post on there daily, so be sure to give me a follow. Thank you so much for watching.